In this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you could present data in a better way. So if you look on the screen, this is a survey I did for our school canteen. So it was looking at themed meals. So I obviously wanted to find out what people would want, how much they'd prepare to pay, and whether they'd want a drink with their themed meal. So I've got 3 questions. I surveyed 93 people, and these are their responses. So as it stands, the data in a numerical format, because that's how it appears here, it's not very clear, especially for this question. Obviously this question down here, we can see that most people have said yes, but this one's more difficult for us to visualize. So what we can do is we can create a chart or a graph to represent our data. Now there's several ways of doing this. I'm going to show you my method and the way that I use. So I'm going to show you that. So the first thing I would always do is just select the data. And then I would go to Insert, and you've got your charts here, and you can choose your charts. Careful about your choice of chart, because you want your charts to show information to somebody. So your choice of chart is important. For this one I'm going to try and have a look at a pie chart and see if that will give me what I want. So I click on the pie symbol. I'm not going to go for the 3D one, I'm just going to go for a plain simple 2D pie shape. So I can click that there. So I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller so we can see it. So at the moment that pie chart doesn't mean anything because there's no labels, so I'm going to sort that out. Again, this is just the way that I do it, so making sure I've got my chart, select my data, and here I want to give my categories here some labels, so my axis labels. So go to Edit, highlight my labels, there are all my labels. Excel knows the order because it's the same order here, and I can click OK, and then I can click OK again, and I have a reasonably nice chart there. Now I haven't got a title, so I'm going to go to chart layouts, and you've got several chart layouts to choose from. I'm going to go for that one because I want these labels. These labels are important, so I'm going to go for that one, and then I can select my chart title. Now I'm going to select my question. Oh, let me do that again. Let me Control C to that, copy that. Go to that one. Chart tools, click there. Should now, be able to paste, Control V. Hopefully that should work. Yes, there we go. So I can move that around. You saw me moving it. I can place it where I want. And now that's okay. I could improve that title maybe a bit more. But it's a good sort of starting point is to look at your question. So there is that chart. So I'm going to make that a bit smaller and just move that to one side for the moment. So this question, how much would people pay for their meal? So I'm going to again select my data, Insert, choose a chart. I'm going to go for a column or a bar chart. So I'll go for a column, see what that looks like, see if that gives me some information that's useful. That's okay. That's alright. Again, I've no labels, I've no titles, so let's sort that out. Click there, select data, edit. There's my 3, so there it's appeared at the bottom there. And of course, what I should do is include a title. That's okay, yes, that'll be alright there. So I've got some values, and now I could add a title. Etc. Okay, so there's 2 different charts, and that's my method for creating them.